receive. Set to open. Nice social attack. Point for Calvayo City Division. Score 14, serving 16. One back to serve. Jersey number 2, Arqueza. Nice serve. And it's a service ace. Point for Calvayo City Division. Still serving Jersey number 2.
Score, Calvayo 15.
Nice
Number
serve.
16.
Free ball. Miss receive. And another free ball. Nice receive. Binigay kay number 13. Down the line hit. Dig by jersey number 2. Number 12 open. Nice receive. Binigay kay number 13 again. And it's a point for Calvayo. We have another dead-up. Score. 16 all. Still serving jersey number 2. That's a nice serve. Number 3 attack. Deep by jersey number 1. Number 3 attack. And it's a push. Point for Summer Division. 17, serving 16. One bit to serve, jersey number 13. Nice receive. Binigay kay jersey number 18. Dig by jersey number 13. Free ball. Nice receive. Binigay sa open. Nice cover. Binigay sa open. So free ball. Table again. Set to middle, number 3. Nice deep. Nice push. Point forward. Calvayo City Division. Score 17 all. Now serving jersey number 3, De La Peña. Nice receive. Binigay sa middle, number 3 attack. Soft touch. Number 1. Cross court. Binigay sa middle. And miscommunication. Third for South Division. Our official score 18, serving 17. Now serving jersey number 6. Nice receive. Number 1, adjust. 3 ball binigay. Setter binigay sa open. Number 5 attack. And no touch. Point for Summer Division. Score 19, serving 17. So serving jersey number 6. And it's a service error committed by jersey number 6. Score 18, serving 19. Wanting to serve, jersey number 13. On draw. Nice serve. Nice receive. Binigay din sa middle. That's point for Summer Division. Score 20, serving 18.
Last 5, Summer.
Now serving jersey number 3. And it's a service error committed by jersey number 3. Point for Calvayo City Division. Score 19, serving 20. Wanting to serve, jersey number 12, 13, captain. Nice serve. Nice receive.
Yes, Carl.
And it's a service ace. Point for jersey number 12.
Oh.
Score 20 all.
Hindi all na. Last five, last five.
Nice receive. Free ball bigay. And it's a ball out. Point for Calbayog City Division. Timeout, Samar Division.
Score, Calbayog 21, Samar 20. Last four, last five. Ay yes, cutie. Cutie mga bagets. Adili ako mga cheerleaders.
Up to the ball.
Last four, Calbayog, last five, Samar. Second set.
So serving jersey number 12 on Cipino. And it's a ball in front for Calbayog City Division.
Last three, Calbayog. Samar, last five.
Lain sa ating bola. So yung serving jersey number 12. And it's a service score. Point for Solar Division. Score 21 serving 22. 1 point lead.
Second set, Sir Gimo. Second set na. Samar ka na first set nagdaog.
Jersey number 5 serving. Nice receive. Awaiting a cast. Free ball binigay. And it's a miscommunication. Point for Calbayog City Division. Score 23 serving 21.
Calbayog 23.
On the
21
serve,
Samar.
jersey number 1, Macabesta. And serve.
Ay,
And it's a service ace. Point for Calbayog City Division.
last one, Calbayog.
Service zero. Point for Samar Division. Score 22 serving 24. Number 1 out, number 14 in.
Against Dalit, Keros.
Bola, point for
Calbayog. Standing 1-1.
end of
Sorry, Sir Gimo. Calbayog nagdaog. Second set. First set ka na, Samar. Decision na today. Ayan. Decision. Anay, parungon ko niya na lang, pero mabalik ang pwesto mo sa room.